Welcome back. It was a blue wave as the curtains came down on the 116th staging of the Issa Grace Kennedy Boys and Girls Athletics Championships, with Jamaica College and Edwin Allen dethroning Kingston College and Hydel respectively, following 5 days of action. Denise Walters has the details.
It was a gate-to-wire victory for Jamaica College and Edwin Allen, who led from Wednesday's day 2 and never relinquished that lead. Neither JC nor Edwin Allen lost momentum when lightning forced a stoppage at about 3:35 p.m. and action resumed nearly 2 hours later. On the girls' side, Edwin Allen dominated the 4x100 meters relays, winning 2 and finishing runners-up in the other 2. The Class 1 team won in 44.43 seconds ahead of Hydel and Homo Technical. Their Class 4 team also won in 47.64 ahead of Hydel and Veer Technical. In Class 2, they finished behind St. Jago, who equaled the champs' record of 44.81 that Edwin Allen set back in 2021. And they were also second in Class 3 behind Convent of Mercy Alpha Academy, who won in 44.59. Homo Technical won the girls' sprint medley in 4 minutes 09.58. This after Manchester High, who crossed the line first, was disqualified. Alphonsus Davis and Edwin Allen were second and third respectively. Kevin Gay Fowler of Edwin Allen and Alex Jordan Hall of Clarendon College did the 800 meters, 1500 meters double. Fowler captured Class 2 in 2 minutes 09.96 seconds, while Hall won the girls' Class 3 event in 2 minutes 14.92. Following her win in the Open 2,000 meter steeplechase, Sushana Johnson of Edwin Allen returned to capture the Open 3,000 meters in 10 minutes 38.18. After 46 events, Edwin Allen scored 338.5 points, ahead of defending champions Hydel 259.5, Homewood 167, Immaculate Conception 110, and St. Jago 91, rounding out the top 5.
This was a very challenging year for us. But this championship is really one that, I relish this one more than any other one based on what would have happened throughout the season. We one of the time we thought we wouldn't be able to be at champs this year. But, to God be the glory. He allowed us, after all the challenges, to be here. And the girls did very well. Our coaching staff, the support from the school and the community, and our alumni and friends and supporters.
Meanwhile, on the boys' side, Ajani Lumley of Wolmer's completed the Class 3 sprint double, winning in 22.20 ahead of teammate Joshua McWilliams and JC's DeAndre Parker. Kenyan Ryan Achow of St. Jago mined his second gold medal, winning the 5,000 meters in 14 minutes 42.32, the second fastest time in champs history, behind Kemoy Campbell's record of 14 minutes 18.55 set back in 2010. Markland Williams of Denby High is the first athlete from his school to win an event at Champs, clocking a personal best 1 minute 52.58 to land the boys' Class 2 800 meters title. In the sprint relays, Excelsior High, without their Class 1 100 meters champion Riquelme Reed, won in 39.53 seconds, where the Jamaica College and Kingston College both clocking 39.66 for second and third respectively. Jamaica College won Class 2 in 40.32 ahead of Calabar and Kingston College. Wolmer's boys easily won in Class 3 in 42.70 ahead of Jamaica College and St. Jago. Stets won the sprint medley in 3 minutes 28.16 ahead of Calabar and Port Antonio High. And Jamaica College signed off in style, winning the boys 4x400 meters relay in 3 minutes 08.18. KC finished second and William Nib third. After 42 finals, Jamaica College ended on 345 points, followed by Kingston College 282, Calabar 169.33, St. Jago 121.83, and Wolmer's boys 105, completing the top 5.
I'm very ecstatic. Having gone through my first year, really disappointed without the outcome of that. I just sat down and I went to Knee City and I prayed to God and I said, Lord, give me an inspiration, give me something. I sat down and came up with some plans and put it on paper, discussed it with my management team, and I, was lucky and blessed enough that everything that I actually dreamed of putting together came together nicely. And this is the result.
Denise Walters for TVJ Sports.